What's up everybody, welcome back to another video here on Chanel's channel. So I have another video for you and it's a clothing haul, as you guys can tell. So I picked out like 5 of my favorite pair of blazers that are like my go-to, something that I'll always will wear. I don't wear blazers too often, but I just love the trend and have an idea of having blazers, which is really strange, and I have a lot of blazers. These are like 5 of them. I have many more, so if you like videos like these or you want to see the whole blazer collection, let me know as well. Thumbs up the video so we can make another one. 5 that I randomly picked out. They are different qualities, different companies that I purchased them by, and to me it's very affordable. I do think blazers do cost a little bit too much money at times, but other times you can find really good deals, as you guys will see from these blazers. So I'm wearing just a tank top, well, a sports bra and some joggers. So this is what I'll normally pair it with, and maybe some sneakers that you guys can't really see right now, but I do pair with sneakers mostly a lot of times, and then if I really want to dress it up, I'll probably wear some heels or whatever the case may be. But this is just one solid look that I'm going to show you guys today and try it on for you to see how I normally wear my blazers. But if you guys want to see more ways as how I wear my blazers, you can follow me on Instagram, Taylor Chanel. Simple, easy, follow. Yeah. Okay, so the first blazer that I have is from Zara. Now Zara is my go-to place for blazers, okay? As you guys can tell, the quality is bomb. It's heavy, it's not a very thin material, so it'll keep you warm and nice, but not too warm. You can tell like there's details and everything in the jacket itself. It was originally $89.90, but I paid only $35 for it. So I know Zara could be expensive sometimes, but to be honest, they have sales at least twice a year, which is in July, my birthday month, and then I think in November, I believe, and it's always great sales. Like, you'll be surprised. I have a bunch of stuff that I've shopped with Zara, but I only shop on sales. I don't pay full price for anything that I own Zara. This one is in a size small. A couple of them come in like size 26, size 25. Some of them don't say like a European style. The size of it just tells you size small or size medium, large, or whatever the case may be. But as you guys can tell, the quality in this is so decent. Like, it's really good quality pieces that you can find at Zara. That's why Zara will never let me down. I think overall it fits the way I like it, and I'll definitely continue to buy blazers in a size small unless I fit differently. I think, yeah, I actually have a size medium here that I'll show you how it fits me compared to this one, and then you guys tell me which one you prefer as far as the sizing goes. And yeah, I think this will definitely pair well with all black if you really want to style, like make the jacket pop. All black would be perfect, and then the yellow and everything shine through the piece itself, and just wear something simple, or you can even wear it sporty, you can even wear it classy. Blazers, that's a good thing about blazers. It's very versatile. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it, but I love me this blazer. I love this pattern. I love yellow, white and black together. I even have sneakers that color, and I do have another coat jacket that's very similar to this pattern, like way too similar. Should never have gotten this, but can pass up a good deal at Zara, guys. Next. Okay, so this blazer is a little bit different. I got this one at Target. I got it in a pink, light pink color, and then this color because I think this color will go with a lot of different pieces. This is in a size 6. As you guys can see, it's linen, so it's very light. It's very simple. You can actually see through this if you really look closely. You can see through the jacket itself. It's very lightweight. It's nude color, so of course you can wear it with a lot of different things. I think this one, I don't know, is one of my classic pieces from Target because I feel like you can do a lot with it, but at the same time it's not something I'll wear too often. I do think this one looks more of a business attire compared to the other pieces that I wear, but like I said, you can always dress it up, dress it down, and do a whole bunch of different things with it. Overall, if you live in a hot state like I do in Florida, this is definitely a good linen piece that you can wear constantly because it's very lightweight. You can fold in the arms, which I do on this one a lot. I don't like it if I wear it like straight down. Let me show you. Straight down like this. I think it looks a little bit too businessy. Like that's what the blazer gives me, a business look. So if I fold it up like this, to me it looks a little bit more stylish and classic, and you can pretty much dress it up and dress it down, and it looks like a casual day that you're just gonna spend outdoors. I think I only paid like $15 for this at Target, so Target, you can always find a good sale or a good deal. You just have to really look for the pieces, but overall I do like this piece but like I said, it's more work attire, whereas other blazers I have, you can style it, you can do all different things with it, and it's more like a fashion statement, where this one is more like business cute casual. Okay, so for this other blazer, I got this from PrettyLittleThing. This one is a size 6. To be honest, the quality in this one is not as perfect as the ones from Zara and the ones I just showed you. What material is this actually? It's 95% polyester and 5% elastic. So it's very, very different compared to the other blazers that I show you guys, but still it's something different that you can wear. It's still a blazer style, but it's very, I don't know, laid back. Much like a blazer at all, to be quite honest. I do have a pants that comes with it, so I think it's more to style that type of look. I don't think this is more of a blazer look, because as you guys can see, the arm area is very, very tight, very elasticy. It kind of reminds me of those oversized shirts that I have 2 oversized shirts. Actually, I do have them right here. These 2 oversized shirts that I have, it kind of reminds me of that, but it's made with a pair of shorts, because spring is here now. Okay, so this is by far one of my favorite blazers from Zara. Once again, this one is in a size medium. So like I said before, the first one that I got was in a size small. This one is size medium. The weight on this is so heavy and so nice. The material is so good. I think Zara has some of the best blazers that you can find out there. This one was $120, and I think I only paid $35 for it. Look at the detail in this, and it's such a heavy, thick material. Like, even if you wash it or whatever the case may be, it will still be fine. And blazers from Zara last you so long, guys, like so long. So let's see how the medium looks on me, and you guys remember, be the judge and tell me what you think. Do you think I should do small, or do you think I should stick to medium? But overall, I love the color of it. It's such a bright, vibrant color, and it's springtime right now. I think you could always wear this at springtime or even in winter, because it's red. Hello, let's go. I think it's like, yeah, bright red. It's such a nice color. I think overall I do like this fit better because it's more loose. I can move around in it freely. I can pretty much wear it with shorts, dress it up, dress it down. Whereas this fit was a little bit snug, but I think I like the medium better. Okay, so the last but not least blazer that I have, this was my most expensive blazer. This is one of my first blazers. This is one of the blazers that I paid the original price for, which I was pretty much upset at myself because I did that. This one is from Express, and this is a size small. You guys know Express do have really good quality blazers as well, and work attire in general. And I got it, like when I first saw it, I was like, okay, I have to have this blazer because I do love the pattern of it. It's such a plain, I don't describe a plain classic pattern that you can pretty much dress up, dress down, and it goes with everything. I think I paid $100 for this blazer. Never again will I do that, but girl. So like I said, size small in this blazer, but I feel like I could have gone up because as you guys can see, as I raise my arms, everything fit a little bit snug. But I do think there's a cute blazer. This one does give me a work attire look, but I feel like I can still dress this down, like in a pair of joggers, some shorts, biker shorts, whatever the case may be, and some sneakers. Or I can go classy and dress it up with some heels, some shorts, jeans, whatever the case may be, or I could just use it for an interview at work or just a day at work, you know, that type of look. So I think this jacket was definitely versatile and I could do a lot with it, so that's why I was like, you know what, let me just pay that $100 for it. But even though I will never do it again, but I don't know, I think I really do like this jacket a lot. I think it fits really well on me. I think it's a color that goes with everything. It could be in winter, it could be in spring, you can wear it whenever you want to. It doesn't limit you on what you can wear with it, and that's why I like it so much. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this haul. If you guys do like hauls like this, don't forget to thumbs up this video and let me know if you want to see a part 2, because I do have more blazers that I can put into here and kind of mix in. I just wore this plain pattern today, but if you guys want to see how I style blazers in general, let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget, let me know if I should stick with small or should I stick with a medium size when it comes to Zara blazers, and let me know how you feel about it. And I'll see you guys in another hundreds, thousands and millions of videos that I'll be making here on YouTube.